how to hide your live on Instagram from some specific users. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your live on Instagram from some specific users. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on profile. Click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on the third choice, which is privacy. Scroll down and click on live. Now click on hide live from. Now search search for the users you don't want them to watch your live, and once you do that, you can select them and put them in this list, and they never gonna be able to watch your live. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.